Yeah, right.
Good morning. I am Rauf Rishi. I have another name that is called Saki. I am a owner of UU Kesar Co. We are producing the best quality saffron throughout the country. I am born in a saffron family. The history of saffron is it was started from 1137 AD. From that day, only these 8 to 10 kilometers are famous for saffron. Leave the rest of India, even in Kashmir, that is called the crown of heaven on earth. इस हेवन पे भी आपको डिस्क्रिमिनेशन मिलेगी. ना ये गुलमर्ग में होता है, ना ये पहलगाम में होता है. अगर केसर की खेती की जाती है पिछले 9 सेंचुरी से, फ्रॉम 1137 AD till today, only these 8 to 10 kilometers are famous for saffron. What is the reason behind that? Why only this land? Why not the rest of India? Because we have so much development. Last 5 decades, so much development has been happening. Still, the saffron is grown only these 8 to 10 kilometers in our country, in India. Actually, it has 2 conditions. The number 1 condition is this is the hottest place in Kashmir, where the maximum temperature reaches 37, 38, and the minimum temperature reaches -7 in winters. When it is 37 and -7, this is the suitable climate for the cultivation of saffron. The second condition is India is the country which is blessed. Actually, we have various types of soils in our country. That is why India is called the Sone ki Chidiya, golden. Actually, we have various types of soils. गुजरात में एक, महाराष्ट्र में एक, बंगाल में एक, वैसे ही कश्मीर में different soils हैं. पर जो इस एरिया के 8 किलोमीटर के अंदर पाई जाती है, जो soil पाई जाती है, that soil is called the Karawa soil. This soil is favorable for the cultivation of saffron. Actually, the feature of this soil is it is very dry. It contains less moisture. It is very hot inside. That is why the roots of saffron will survive 12 years beneath the surface of this earth. That is the main reason. The life expectancy of every root is 12 years. Here the life expectancy will be complete because of dryness of soil. That is why in Gulmarg, in Pahalgam, it is not possible because the moisture of soil is very high. It is not possible the bulb will complete the life expectancy. The bulb will die within 2 or 3 years in Gulmarg and in Pahalgam or in Sonmarg. Now, how to identify the genuine saffron? Actually, India consumes the maximum saffron in the world. We are living in a diversity. We have so many festivals. We consume saffron. Everyone consumes saffron, from the lower class to the upper class. Everyone consumes saffron. And we are sweet lovers, saffron. We are spice lovers, saffron. So from ancient times, India consumes the maximum saffron. But the demand is more, the supply is less. That is why India is famous for jugaad. So in India, 95% kesar is Bolo Zuban Kesari, Vimal Kesari. When the demand is more, the supply is less. That is why in India 95% kesar will be the paper, it will be the nylon. कुछ लोग मक्की के घास को भी यूज करते हैं. So, how to identify the genuine saffron? There are some parameters by which we can identify. The number 1, it is softness. The number 2, it is aroma. It has a strong aroma. Saffron is a strong aroma. If you spend 2-3 hours in a saffron room, you feel sleepy 24 hours. Number 3, it is structure and it is shape. आगे हेड है, बीच में टिल्ट है, पीछे टेल है, और साथ में रेड कलर है. बट इमेजिन इफ यू बाय ऑन द बेस ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर. तो आपने क्या किया, आपने ओप्पो का फोन खरीदा, उसके पीछे आईफोन का लोगो था, उसमें iOS नहीं था. क्योंकि हमारे देश में मक्की का घास, नायलॉन और पेपर की कटिंग की जाती है, उसके ऊपर डिफरेंट केमिकल्स, ग्लिसरीन, कोडीन, बहुत कुछ मिक्स किया जाता है और वैसे ही केसर भेजा जाता है. सो देन द नेक्स्ट पैरामीटर अराइज. आप 2-3 केसर के थ्रेड्स को लीजिए और आगे वाले दांतों पे रखिए और चबाना शुरू कीजिए. जब आप आज केसर को चबाना शुरू करोगे, यू फील अ काइंड ऑफ बिटरनेस इन योर माउथ. आपको हल्का सा कड़वाहटपन आ जाएगा. साथ में जो आपकी जुबान पे जो कलर आएगा, वो जो हमारे देश के तिरंगे के ऊपर जो कलर है, वही कलर आपकी जुबान पे आना चाहे। ऑरेंज कलर या हिंदुइज्म का जो सबसे पवित्र कलर माना जाता है, वही कलर आपकी जुबान पे आना चाहे। बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी आर सो बिजी इन आवर लाइव्स with Netflix and Amazon Prime, we don't have enough time to identify